only me nyina ya adwene say when it comes to the fight against Galamseyers, Ghana no your plans ni nyina ahye in fact plans ni nyina dweragu say dworobe na akokodru point be say Galamseyers no ɛxpose Ghana police, soldiers, chiefs, and politicians. Omo boa Emma Galamsey no ekoso pa no. Mo ha no mo as mo host. Penyah block media. Metro say any day mo. Obe like video no down. Block square button stand by click notification corner latest update. Time to the wide and am me e comment section. Oba so no wa for enya bi ahwe. You know, see I heard one for elections na call na. One of the determinants of the vote turnout is the issue of Galamsey because that time no now be very popular Ghana hanomo baby be bia demonstrations upon demonstrations upon demonstrations Emma and yet on phone start almost Galamsey demonstration as back at 2022 and almost start demonstration against the government when it comes to the fight against Galamsey just a coup for the government to fail now on facilitator of Galamsey meanwhile that same time no now some of the NDC executives also any nam Galamsey side promise minus no any Galamseyers say do 24 elections omo ntoma John Mahama ne ntoma John Mahama de adwuma no bekoso
na ne kasa ase no ma wo bia sisi amahunu wa ha no obehunu say the land in the city obeka na meboa after on the 11th that way on the 7th no and say ya wo ho e de mam because no one be sa akotena ho say de be ya yenu anu mo bre o mo ya adwuma che kakrai Musu de nya sa asini bi nanso ya sa e machine to asa si wa ma a obekọ akọ nanso de aba be adwuma nanso do krom no nko ko so aye den edi hie enti wo akoto aba no a e John Dramani Mahama e tu direct ana John Dramani Mahama so man ne so meke ho
bana sank of koyai omumu bisugu asas egu krom ye demonstration na this omo ye henefo a mo ne bonsam na kasa nsam ne henefo because ekuo baako manu be ye mienu Galamsey ho ekuo baako ma chemu mienu ebi mu okromu ye demonstration tia abanya otia kunya se tu Galamsey ase na ebi so ene na muram hye Galamsey fo ne bo se mo ntoma John Mahama na oba Galamsey adwan bekoso mo ye henefo a I say almost started demonstration gidi Ghana had so that they will sabotage the coup for the guy because no NDC need message behind opposition. They had no message. It was only you katashe buga ne yen two foot Ghana for any yen flag Ghana for any you coup for I yen say o madwuma for yen mo say MPP aban omi akronfo omi awidifo omo nyina man ho omunti enso say ensase say almost started omo ye bibia in September 2024 kwara Sam George make post be or can say we say Galamsey no I was see a blame the president and the appointees at that time no Twitter no make that post no obi comment say somebody nyambotre the fight against Galamsey no we shouldn't politicize it any said their politics e buna sanja be say monti ase say ya fa anya politics aye ntimi fight Galamsey because omomugu grounds no there omunyo omu na ya adwuma no campaigns nangasa e wo Jubilee House and once I make people watch them say the day on my university can tuya neka as president no ono owo to me say obetuma stop Galamsey na what prepare because ono na command Ghana Armed Forces nyina asra for Ghana he nyina ono commander in chief it owo to me eso betu Galamsey ase within a week am I got 2024 and this area na mencha de and this area no bia no say ne o mo ba de Mahama tena so na what prepare obetu Galamsey ase e de Mahama tena so 7th January no ekwesi 31st January ene we Mahama abekasa no kasa no kiremu se na point is bi obi biala wa fa na dwuma as of 31st January no ene obi a obesa man appointment no o ka kiremu se oni obechiw se o tu Galamsey ni bi no waso bi ahyepa any appointee bi obechiw se you are involved in Galamsey you face a very swift and severe sanction Mahama e kan say we and a koduru March mono on Saturday warning eba he put a ban on all government appointees. Let's say NGA eba because we say Mahama ba ye no already or better because omo beba kwa no omo ye Mahama 120 day social contract. No the item na ntom kire mo say they will put a ban on all illegal mining activities in forest and what on river bodies. There's only put a stop to Galamsey. Next thing I train energy Abba, Mahama Abba, was that air yuma, was that air ban politicians no from engaging in Galamsey near the other. And because in November mono, the majority leader Mahama Yalik Abekas, oh, Mahama will never pardon anybody, any appointee who is involved in Galamsey. Mahama Cho say wono, who to Galamsey on for one chow. They can send ye Ajankwana na Abano. Yeah, health will be aqua, Ajankwana ne Mahama. But exactly 1 year, 2025 March, and will put a ban on government appointees from engaging in Galamsey. But even through 2026 March, exactly 1 year, Anna Mahama Beka said, which Remu say, on fancy own control, or no agitum say, na appointees nibi e to gala. Obekane tra, just like that. A nipa wabeka say, appointee gabe who's the to Galamsey. Obe face severe and swift sanction. Now, no dear. Yabe kind of press conference, mutra the eye series just like that. She and see. There's a whole Galamsey fight in there. A shiagu. Amana Busia, and ye is a Galamsey, ye two trauma. Ye jina el ponano, and ye two gala.
Why is car good for you? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car?
Galamsey a cost or Ghana Hama. Galamsey who sends them there, ye gas ye car. Adia betchim. Now in all Western region, there, I buy the house of Galamsey, the home for Galamsey, was sunny ne holiday, Western region there, a Galamsey region. A holiday, there's a town of your friend in Mpohor. Almost police station, Hornomono, and champion you to Gala. Police station ye, na Galamsey site ye. Just ye 2 ama beura ye didiko police station ni mu anesa. Asra for Hornum, police for her. Omunka hurry. 18 amsuma. Join this for journalists maybe echo people koye documentary video. The hono winning someone. Galamsey boys no. Omuka nipa ye say omu elbuama Galamsey adwuma ne koso no. Winning someone omu ekan.
Let's take you to Mpohor district of the Western region, where illegal mining has been normalized with illegal miners operating right in front of a local police station. The miners have taken over miles of wetlands and farmlands in 4 communities in the district, as affected cocoa farmers cry for help. Some of the illegal miners say they have a right to mine because they pay weekly dues to security personnel and other stakeholders in the district. Erastus Asaridonko has toured the district and reports.
In the once fertile lands of Mpohor district, the story is no longer about farming. It is about destruction. On the grounds, it is a floodgate, a free-for-all, unhinged, unregulated, irresponsible mining. 4 towns, Mpohor, Edum Trabum, Edum Banso, and Ayim, are mostly affected. Here, in Mpohor, it's almost as if mining illegally is legal. I mean, Galamsey is unhinged, open, glaring, bold, done anywhere, anytime. Just behind me, you could see how far they've gone into eating under electric poles and even close to the bridge that links this place and Adum Trabum. The impunity is so bold that Galamseyers operate without fear of arrest. They claim to be paying weekly dues to law enforcement personnel and custodians of the land.
Penyah, how many aware? Some of you, Juma.
Obi aware say Sadman na yakoswa. Eti omo kaso.
Mama say.
O edipene eduma obeye o ehuska obenya no. Na odi betua sa eka no.
Into one ya bejiska.
Oh, yeah, river guard for back, police for back. Omo beje omo de. And fell for so beje omo de.
And nothing or record.
Yeah.
Na mo ankasa wo feel say senior moye adwuma electricity pole baby amodi abedu the bridge baby amo wow mo wo feel say okay.
Oh. Bye no mo ton ha no mai. Ba na mo de minima be dikan aye adwuma dada. Hena ya so about to us but ya no me ya friend ru no mo be ye adwuma wa hanom no.
Omo eba ha no prosifo ne ho no senior amtua mo.
Omo ba ebi akura ne board ba. Police ni ba obotuma charge o sell for 5,000 bra. One in the back can be another case 2,000. Go to Amano. Sano be soldiers for a modern of pride. Police neighbor or than a pride. Over guided than a pride. Yeah.
Ya hemfo no so bejibi.
Wa hemfo dia na ekoye say e do be break no. No work otua.
The situation has reached a breaking point. At Ayem, illegal mining is ongoing boldly in front of a police station with armed policemen looking on. The illegal miners have forcefully invaded farms, turning acres of cocoa and other food crops into craters and mud. This elderly couple, 56-year-old Olivia Teria and her husband, 60-year-old Samuel Bentum, have had their farm taken over by the illegal miners here.
My ben no cocoa. Into mature. Maybe have 1 month. Into 1 month ben me baby channel. Me boa. Galamseyers, you know. I bet from cocoa no na.
Penyah midnight. Na se ma yesa ma we na se wo abofra fra enduska ti the best ma dia.
At Adum Trabum, the chiefs are incensed by the Galamsey activities which have taken over large tracts of their land, stifling development. Wetlands that fed the river Butri have been dug up and polluted. The chief of Adum Trabum, Nana Nyako III, and the sub-chiefs want President Mahama to step in to stop the illegal mining craze in the Mpohor district.
Mema soja 40 se obeba be patrol wo ha na wa pam se nkrofo na afi ho enti anam so mama kobo regional police commander amanye bi na ifu nyina ma bo amanye se o metu won fi asase ne so ma yenya akwan yenchechiri yekuru
Galamseyers no ase yikure baako sisi ara sofia kofom be 3 months kra ase woto pure water na wodi akọ oni baako
na dey we say ya dance na gu abonti. In fact ya chi ni ani ya honam nyina agu ho. When it comes to the fight against Galamseyers, Ghana ya chi ni ya nim ni achi ya mfini ya tiri ho nyina agu ho. You say ya ba bia ya anti-pay premium pa, anti-pay promise. Ya bo anti-pay when it comes to the fight against Galamseyers. I'm away, Abias. Now come down, I can't be some Ekasa Muhammad, what feeling? Because Galamseyers and some say on the account.
Well, and back to it, you see, Dr. Zato makes it clear that Galamseyers was so much heavy on the banner in the 2024 electioneering campaign. And that is true. That led to President Mahama's NDC then at chapter 4.3 of their manifesto, which is pages 77 to 80. They made 18 promises on Galamseyers. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 18 promises on Galamseyers. On top of them was calling for a state of emergency. On top of them. And they made so much noise. There was so much demonstration, so many demonstrations on the street of this country, calling on government to call for a state of emergency. I thought, indeed, that when President Mahama assumes power, the first thing he would do was to call for the state of emergency. The first thing President Mahama did was to appoint Minister Amabua, who was then a huge critic of this. In fact, he professed the state of emergency. He described this on Sunday one hot Sunday, he professed the solution of state of emergency. Do you know the interesting thing? When he became a minister responsible for lands and natural resources, on another hot Sunday afternoon, he called for press conference. He decided to now turn himself to an actor and cried. And throughout the press conference, he did only one thing: cancel the licenses of Akunta mining. He cried about Galamsey, thinking that he was going to solve it. My brother, Galamsey has taken 8 gallant men of this country who were on their way to solve this. And today, you see the video that was playing about Obuasi. It was an airstrip area. The said helicopter should have landed. And they have died. 8 people. Look at it. This is Obuasi. Look at it, and you have the Obuasi West vice chairman of the NDC calling the bluff of this government and security agencies that if they dare, they should come and arrest him on that. You stated it over here, and that is what we are facing. My brother, after the incident of having 8 gallant men of this country, including 2 cabinet ministers, dying due to Galamsey, we had Minister Ablakwa of Foreign Affairs now stating that the government is going to wage a strong war against Galamsey. He said all these things, and my brother, it was just fracadam. And I'll tell you why. It was scam and scandalous for him to even make that statement. In somewhere last year, September, when the president met the press, the president told us that he, as the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and also the chairman of the National Security Council, he is very much aware that his own party people are deeply involved in Galamsey. And you find the chairman of the National Security Council telling you this and going to sit astray. Why would we also not sit in this country to have the attorney general?
That he will not be surprised.
He will not. What is he? Are we not seeing Yamin and Abanga, who serves as his national executive members, deeply involved in Galamsey, and the attorney general referring them?
Come out publicly to
what
say
is Yamin?
That
it is not about Yamin. It is about Yoko acting and giving us the report. We've not seen it.
He is not complicit. That's
my brother. Look at this gentleman. He's called Michael Kwejo Pepra. No, the Michael Kwejo Pepra. He actually paraded himself in this country as small-scale mining chairman and whatsoever, going on media station, bashing the MPP. Nobody endorses Galamsey must be kept. This gentleman has been arrested by NIMOS. Ask me what has happened to Michael Kwejo Pepra. Michael Kwejo Pepra crime in this country has no expiry date. And if you know, go and report yourself early for you to be prosecuted before the MPP comes to power.
Comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.